Hi, I'm Meet Solanki, and in this video, I will quickly walk you through with FastAPI Cloud deployment, where we will deploy our FastAPI application with our FastAPI Cloud account. So for that, just go. Let's go with start deploying. We already have an account, so click on login. Then we have to click on sign in with GitHub. FastAPI deploy command to deploy this. For that, I will go to my source code folder. This is my main.py file which have fast API code, so that's my fast API application. I'll run fast API deploy. We also have pyproject.toml with version name, which Python version is required 3.12. Dependencies. Click on fast API deploy. Now, if it's our first time, then it will ask for authentication with a fast API cloud account. But since I have already done that step, so it's showing me my name Meet Solanki. Click on enter. Do you want to create a new application? Yes. What's your app name? Take that default name. Leave empty if my project.toml is in the current directory. Yes, it's already there and is configured properly. Does everything looks right? Yes. Here we can see our application which is in deploying, or it is currently deploying. Build logs and runtime logs. In runtime logs, it will show us an error that please set up MongoDB URL, because we set up that MongoDB URL, OpenAI API keys, base URLs, mem0 API key in .env file. So we have to provide that environment variables into settings. So go to environment variables, click on add environment variables. From here I can add manually one by one key values for environment variables, or click on import.env and import all the environment variables at once. So as you can see, I have pasted all my environment variables here. Click on secret and OpenAI GPT OSS 20. Save and redeploy. Now go to deployments. It will show us deployments created less than 1 minute ago. Click here. Yeah, it is still verifying deployment. That's it. Yeah, our application is ready. That's the URL of our application, and that's the documents URL. Go to AI powered customer support agent, fast API.dev. Let me ask hello, hello customer one, hello my customer ID is stages of my order. I'm going to keep method. Wait for customer support agent reply. Customer support agent's reply. Order. Your order is 1001 is shipped. Your payment method is on file and active. Can you share more details about my order? Your order is a wireless mouse is marked as shipped. It is on its way to your delivery address, and you should receive it in the next few business days. If you need a tracking number, let me know and I'll pull it for you. And So let's go to docs. Not found because we have disabled docs and redox URL from our FastAPI application. So let me enable them. FastAPI deploy. If we do any kind of changes, just run FastAPI deploy command and it will redeploy our application with the updated code. Let's wait for it to redeploy our project. Verifying readiness less than a minute ago. Let's wait for it. Your app is ready. And now if we refresh this page, so it's showing that there are two available commands. That's for the front end and this is for the backend API, post API. So yeah, that's it. This is the process of how we can deploy a fast API application into fast API Cloud. Go to settings. We can configure domain name as well. Click on add custom domain and then we can add a custom domain. Click on settings, delete the application, copy this and paste this here. Delete application and our application is deleted.